is ready to mount to the car. Next step is to look at the injectors that I got, 50 Motorsports. So I'll just do an unboxing video. Wrapped up pretty good in some bubble wrap. Just got the tax invoice in here. Put that away. Sticker. What you get. Show us in the world your awesome car truck. So maybe I'll do a post on Instagram for 50 Motorsports. That's at 180sxdean0. Pretty easy to find with a 0. Instruction manual. It's pretty good. So there should be 1200 cc's. So that's I guess they've tested each one by itself. You can see here, injector code, static flow rate. So it's all. You get the free bar, it drops off to 1180 on each one. So that's not too bad. So you got a injector bag. Looks like they give you a bit of the lube to help with the getting them into the rail there. Synthetic grease. Keep that. As you can see, that's what they look like inside. So I'll basically just sit that way. There's a little technique to get these in. You've got to sort of twist them in as you get them in. So that'll look pretty cool. I'll give them see how they go on the dyno anyway. Hopefully they go alright. A few tuners didn't like them, but I've seen some pretty good results online, so see how it goes. At least they're a 1200cc direct fitment for the stock rail, so you don't have to buy an aftermarket rail and change all the fittings. I've done that before, and they never really fit that well. But anyway, see how it goes. So I'm up to putting the injectors in now. Just undo the little cap. They're quite easy to install. You just need to get a bit of, comes with a bit of, I think it's just Vaseline. Well, it just says Super Lube, PTFE grease. So there they are. Look pretty neat. I also did get the new hats as well, and the insulators under them, so it's all new. I cleaned up the rail pretty good. New O-rings here, new spacers on the fuel rail. There's 4 of them, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll screw them on. Everything else is pretty much done. Fuel lines in, returns in. I just got to put these injector clips back on. Bit of conduit on them, make it look neat. A few back lines to put up, and that's almost it. I'll keep going. Just finished up the conduit on the fuel rail for the injectors. Give this a trim. Just trying to neaten it all up. So it looks pretty good. I just made one solid piece, tucked all the wiring into it, and then tucked it into the back limb here. As you can see in there. Awesome. You can see how good it's. Nice and neat. I just got to cut that off and trim this up a bit so it looks neat. That's about it for the fuel rail. So these manifolds basically installed. Everything's fitted off here. I just got to finish off the oil can, tidy up a few things, and then that's almost ready. It's getting close.